Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 17.6 on Zorin OS 17. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to PostgreSQL official website, that is postgresql.org. See here, at the time of making this video, the latest release is 17.6. Click on download or download, both are same. Then select Linux. Then see here, we don't have the Zorin OS, but open terminal. Then verify the version. See, its version code name is Gemi. Gemi means it is Ubuntu 22.04. Okay, so select Ubuntu. Then see here, it populated the list of the commands. See here, to manually configure the apt repository, follow these steps. So we have to execute all these steps. So copy the first one. It is going to install :CA certificate. See, both are already near versions. Now import repository signing key. Then create the repository configuration file. Then update the packages. Sudo apt update. All done. Control A. Now install the PostgreSQL server. Sudo apt install PostgreSQL. If you want to install 16, give -16. If you want to install 15, give 15. If you want to install latest version, then don't give the version number. Then just give PostgreSQL and hit enter. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL server latest version, that is 17. Type and hit enter. See, it is downloading the PostgreSQL 17.6. See, you have successfully installed. Also see here, this is the data directory and default values like max connections to 100 and shared buffer size is 128 megabytes, and this is the time zone. This is based on my system settings. Okay, Control A. Now verify the status of the PostgreSQL server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL server is active. Okay, and also see here, it is enabled. If you to quit, Control A. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See here the version 17.6, but this is not the version of the PostgreSQL server. To get the PostgreSQL server version, we have to run the command select. See, we got the PostgreSQL server 17. Q to quit, Control A. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for Postgres user, which is super user. So verify list of users /du, or you can run the select username from pg_user. See, you got this user. Let us set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password. Then provide the password in singular double quotes. See, alter role means we have successfully set the password for the user Postgres. Okay, now verify list of databases /l or quit. Then give the select dat name from pg_database. See, these are the databases. Okay, let us create a database. Bank is the name of the database. Now verify the same. See, new database bank is created. Okay, quit. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to use the /c or /connect. Either is same. Then provide the name of the database. See, we are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Now create a table in this database. Now verify tables. See, you have created table in public schema, and this is the one of the table. Okay, now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay, control it. Now create a user. Create user. As I told you, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. See, we have created user David. Now exit and connect to PostgreSQL server with this user. To exit, we have to use \q. Then PSQL-HH means host name. I am giving localhost because PostgreSQL server is installed on this one. Okay, then -u must be caps. Then provide the username. Then -d, d means database name. Then provide the password of this new user. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that you have created. \c. See, we have successfully connected, but you won't be able to run the query against the table that you have created. See, permission needed for table customer because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. That's why you have received this error \q. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL server on Zorin OS. Okay, we can't stop or start with this Postgres user. So exit, Control A, sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is inactive or dead. Okay, if you took it, we can also verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we are unable to connect to PostgreSQL server. So start it. Exit from the current user. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is active and running. If you took it, Control L. If you want to restart, just use sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is started. If you took it, Control A. Until now, we have connected PostgreSQL server by using PSQL client. We can also connect PostgreSQL server by using dbeaver or pgadmin. Those are the most popular tools. Okay, you can search for my YouTube channel how to install pgadmin or dbeaver and Zorin OS. In this video, we have seen how to install PostgreSQL server 17.6 on Zorin OS 17. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.